Anyways, hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Unomfundo Zondi, and if you're new here, you're so welcome. Click on that subscribe button, like this video, and leave a comment down below once you've subscribed so you can get a shout out in my next video. Now, you guys, as you might have seen by today's title, the hustles I'm going to be sharing with you guys don't need any degree, they don't need any sort of qualification. So I'm gonna leave links down in the description box, so check that out, and do research on what you can do and how to go about it, how you can apply, all of that. So the first one is au pairing. Now, au pairing is babysitting basically. So, if you know that you love children, you love babysitting, and you can run around with kids, you have the patience that it requires, because it does require patience, you guys. So, if you think you can do that, look up some au pairing agencies online and see if you can get one, because it makes it easier once you have an agency. But if you don't have an agency, it's also fine, because I think agencies need to be paid as well. But that's also fine. You can create a page on your Facebook or on Instagram, advertising yourself, basically advertising your services. Mention when you're available and how long you'll be available. For instance, if you're available on weekends only, you can mention that on Saturday you're available from 8 to 12 or 8 to 4. So yeah, that is pretty much what au pairing is. And yeah, the second one is mobile services. Mobile services basically is going to people's homes and giving them your services. For instance, if you're able to braid hair, if you're able to do nails, if you're able to do makeup, you can go to people's houses and do and offer and render them your services. You guys, I am struggling to speak today. Anyways, so for this one again, it requires for you to advertise yourself, put yourself out there. Don't, y'all guys, I feel like some of y'all are sleeping on your talents. But you know what? That's a story for another day. So what you can do is take pictures of your clients and post your work, obviously with their consent. Post your work, and you know what? Get the word out there. Tell your friends. Advertise yourself and see how far you can get. And my third one is tutoring. You guys, some of y'all guys are very smart and you're good at certain subjects. So use that into your advantage. You can start tutoring other students. Since it's been locked down, schools have been closed, and some people, they need those extra classes. So advertise yourself. Go to schools and advertise yourself. Avail yourself and tell people what you've got to offer. If you're good in maths, if you're good in English, if you're good in isiZulu, if you're good in drama, whatever subject that you're good in, someone else out there needs help, and you can use that to earn you some cash and yeah, make extra income. There's websites online like MasterMath and Bright Sparks. So I'm gonna leave those links down below. You guys can check on those and see if you can, use them to your advantage. And I think this is my second one. Yeah, my third one, I think. Yeah, I keep forgetting. But anyways, it is brand representing and basically selling products. So these products out here like Herbalife, there's products like Avon, like there's many, you guys. So you can make a lot of money if you're working, but the thing is, these need a lot of dedication. If you know you're able to speak to people, you're able to approach people, and you'll be able to like represent yourself well, you can pick up on things like selling Herbalife, you can pick up on things like selling makeup, and yeah, and some little extra income. And another one is buying and selling. Now this one, you guys, is a very good one. I know a few people who do it and they're very successful in it. You'll basically need to get a supplier, For instance, if you want to sell clothes, get a supplier, and you can sell those clothes. Get a supplier at a certain price, at a certain percentage, so you can make profit. And you know what? Sell clothes. You can even open an online store, an online boutique kind of thing. We have social media now. Like I said, we have the internet. It's a big resource to make money, and so like you can start a page on Facebook, post the clothes you have, try to get trendy clothes so that your business can can keep going, and like know your target market. If you're targeting the youth, get clothes that are trending, things that people are gonna wanna buy, people are gonna wanna wear. Because there's no use buying something your target market won't need, like, because you're not gonna make profit. You're gonna run at a loss, in fact. Anyways, another one is Uber driving. You guys, if you have a car, you can apply with we can apply with Taxify, you can apply with Uber, InDrive. Excuse me, what else is out there? Yeah, I know Taxify, Uber, and InDrive is there. And you can apply and you can start working with them. And if you have a car but you're working, you can get someone else to drive your car for you. That's how good it is. Like, it doesn't have to be you specifically driving your car, driving people around, but you can get someone else to work for you. Well, that will take more money from you because you'll need to pay the person, but either way, you'll be getting some income coming in. Um, and with this, you guys, with these I've shared, there's a lot of people doing them already. So you have to think about, what can I do different? What different can I offer? If you're doing Herbalife, if you're selling makeup, when you deliver to your customers, maybe have like a very small note saying thank you, like something special, to make your clients feel a little bit more special, and just put a smile on their face and like do something different, because everyone else out here is doing it. And try to find ways to be creative and see what different you can offer. And I think my last one is being an influencer. Now this one, guys, this one is not easy, definitely not. If you have a lot of followers, it might be easier for you because a lot of people are already following you, but you can start a YouTube channel like I have. Now with YouTube, a lot of people think you just post videos and you get paid. Honeys, that's not how it works, honey. That's it doesn't. I wish it worked like that, but it doesn't work like that. You need to be very patient. You need to be very passionate about what you're doing and love what you're doing. Because if you don't love it, the people watching your content are not gonna love it either. So with YouTube, how it works is you have to have 8,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours in order to qualify for AdSense. And once you've qualified for AdSense, then they start monetizing your videos and you can get paid. And now, you guys, YouTube has a lot of money. People make a lot of money on YouTube. Some people are living on YouTube. They don't have any other job. They start businesses because of the fame they get from YouTube. But we're not talking about that today. So if you're interested, if you have the energy, if you have the time, it requires a lot of time, and you don't even need a pro camera. I don't have a camera. I'm just using my smartphone, and you can just use that and get started. And once you well on your way, you can then get a camera when you can afford one. So start a YouTube channel, or if you wanna do Instagram page, but you have to have a big certain number of followers in order to get paid. So research on that. If you have a lot of followers on Instagram and Facebook, all of those socials, you can do research on how many followers you have until you get paid. What else did I leave out? I think that's it. Also, you can start a small business. There's a lot of ideas you can do, like selling fast food, selling fried chips, selling burgers, selling chicken. You know, there's a whole lot of things. Once, like, if you have the time, you can do it. Even if you think you can't cook, there's YouTube, you guys. You can do research. You can. So yeah, guys, that was it. I hope this helps. And I hope you found at least one thing you're interested in if you're looking to start a side hustle and, you know, get some extra income. And other thing is, you guys, you have a certain skill, you have something that makes you unique. You just need to think out the box, think on how you can use that to your advantage, use that to work for you, you know, and just try to get money working for you. And you know what, we all the way up. Anyways, guys, I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you've enjoyed, give this video a massive thumbs up and click on that subscribe button, join the family, and I'll see you next week.